Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are Monday, August 24th, and there is an update for Microsoft Edge. If you go to your Edge browser, upper right 3 dots, go down to Help and Feedback, and About Microsoft Edge, you will be moved to 151.0.4129.107, and this is security updates. So this is the security updates for Microsoft Edge. We had last week 2 updates for Chrome for security updates, and of course, second update was still not on Microsoft Edge. That also means that most of you guys with a Chromium-based browser like Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, and so on should also have security updates. So check out, make sure that you update your browser to the latest version to stay safe. This is the number one way to stay safe, as the security flaws are fixed, which means most of the malware out there actually exploits security holes. And when you fix your security flaws, well, those malware cannot do their job, cannot infect your machine. So and don't think about antivirus. They aren't going to work against flaws that are exploited most of the time. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.